and I want to become a journalist because I like to do a lot of research and investigate about people's community, because people are suffering out there and they don't have someone to talk to the world about it. Yeah.
I want to become a nurse. Kwa sababu community yetu watoto, watu wakubwa wote wanateseka, so naweza kuwa daktari wao, kuwatibu, kuwasaidia hivi matibabu.
Kuwa daktari ili niweze kusaidia wale watu wenye wanateseka huko kwa kijiji. Sema kwa mfano watoto wapate matibabu ya kutosha. Sasa tunaona hapo wanateseka sana.
It has really transformed their life because by coming here they get meals, they end up being responsible people in the society. They just have different ambitions like each and every child in the society. Some of them want to be senior people in the society, engineers, doctors, artists, all over. So the path is what we are trying to create for them so that they have a conducive way and they have a good path which can help them realize their goals.